In the grand ballet of the cosmos, two black holes were caught in an intimate embrace, their gravitational dance echoing across the universe. We thought we heard the final notes of their duet, a cosmic lullaby signaling the birth of a new black hole. But now science is stunned. It seems we misheard the music of the spheres. What we thought was a farewell was actually a crescendo, a build-up to a breathtaking revelation. See? In 2019, LIGO and Virgo, our cosmic detectives, picked up a faint tremor from across the universe. They called it GW190814. It was a gravitational wave chirp, a signal that climbs in pitch as two objects spiral towards each other and then abruptly cuts off when they merge. The merger involved a hefty 23 solar mass black hole and a tiny object, just 2.6 times the mass of our Sun. This unusual pairing raised eyebrows. The smaller object nestled in a mysterious mass gap between the heaviest neutron stars and the lightest black holes. It was a hint of something unusual, a secret waiting to be uncovered. For years, scientists were content with the story of a cosmic duet, two black holes waltzing together until they fused into one. But a team of astronomers from the Shanghai Astronomical Observatory weren't convinced. They reanalyzed the data and uncovered something that didn't fit the two-body model. A signal of a unique acceleration, a Doppler effect, as if the entire system was being pulled by something else. The chirp wasn't a solo. It had a partner we hadn't heard yet. Their investigation led them to a startling conclusion. The only thing massive enough to influence two merging black holes. A third invisible giant, a supermassive black hole with a mass of at least 100,000 suns. It was like discovering a waltz had been going on, but the audience had only been listening to the last few notes. Now, this doesn't mean three black holes merged into one. Instead, it suggests that the two smaller black holes were drawn together by the gravitational pull of the giant. Like dancers in a ballroom, forced together by the tilt of the floor. This revelation dramatically changes our understanding of the universe. First, it challenges us to rethink everything we've heard before. Could there be more signals we've misinterpreted? Does this mean black holes often come in threes, not twos? It opens up a whole new realm of questions. Second, it offers a potential solution to a cosmic mystery, the formation of unusually massive black holes. These hierarchical mergers could be the secret, a cosmic assembly line for manufacturing bigger and bigger black holes. Finally, it unveils a new window into the most extreme environments in the universe. A glimpse into the chaotic, powerful hearts of galaxies where these giants reside. So what do you think? Does the idea of a cosmic ballroom with an unseen giant make you see the universe in a new light? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos that keep you at the forefront of incredible discoveries. Together, let's continue to explore, discover, and dream about the infinite wonders of the cosmos.